Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you a feature within our Access Intelligence product, specifically doors with issues. Now, Ambient Access Intelligence is the agentic layer for modern access control operations. Powered by Ambient Intelligence and the patented video sensor fusion technology, it correlates live video with PAX events in real time, verifying what actually happened at every door automatically at enterprise scale. What you're seeing on the screen here is the default view that you would be greeted with when you log into the Ambient platform. On the left-hand side, you have the high and medium severity alerts that need your immediate attention, the middle, any low severity alerts that would pop up if there were any, and on the right-hand side, any of the alerts that are currently under review by your team. Now, what we're interested in is the Access Intelligence tab here. If you'll notice on the right-hand side, there is a specific button called Doors with Issues. Let's click on that. And it gives you a full list of all the doorways and entryways that have been flagged by the system as once having any sort of maintenance issues. For example, over here, if you scroll towards the right, it'll show you even further details about what exactly it is seeing. And if you hover over the description on the right, it tells you that check if the door is closing properly, because 33% of the door held open alarms were raised when the door visually looked closed. And in the second one, again, check the reader or the PAC systems, because 10% of the DHOs were duplicate. And even if the sensor itself doesn't have an issue, it also flags if the camera angle provides a poor view of the entryway as seen on this. Now, the three main benefits for users with this specific feature is that it replaces expensive, infrequent audits with a continuous view of the infrastructure health. It also pinpoints the type of problem, not just that there is a problem. And it also has a built-in triage workflow that keeps the list actionable over time for your whole team. Now, there are two ways to access this specific list. One, as you saw, is from the alerts view. And second is if you click on the insights, go to doors, and it'll show you the same list. That is doors with issues. See you on the next one.